hill to secure the best spot for their viewing, and that's because they'll be looking over at some of the screens on court number 1 and watching the tennis that way. Now you can see court number 1 and centre court behind me. Of course, as Lou said, there's no championships taking place at Wimbledon this year, but some of the players or some of the spectators and some of the club members are still actually playing here, more especially the club members, not on every single court of course, and they never get to play on centre court or court number 1 anyway, with one exception, and that is just before Wimbledon starts. There's a ladies set to warm up centre court, for example, so that must be a huge thrill. Now the weather's not very thrilling today at all. The forecast for us all is a blustery one with some rain. And what you'll find as we go through the day, the rain in the north will tend to ease and turn more showery. We've got it because low pressure's been dominating our weather as we've gone through the course of the weekend. It's produced a lot of heavy rain across parts of Scotland, Northern Ireland and also Northern England. And in fact, there still is a flood warning out for the Keswick area. So around the low pressure, we've got lots of isobars indicating that we're looking at gusty winds. Gusty winds wherever you are. We've got the rain in the north, turning more showery through the course of the day, but some of those showers could also be heavy and thundery. Come further south, well, we're looking at drier conditions, still a lot of cloud around. Best of the sunshine will be in the southeast, but even here through the course of the day, there will be cloud coming and going. So talking of gusty winds, it was gusty through the course of the weekend. Today again, widely, we're looking at gusts of wind 35 to 40 miles an hour. With exposure, will be a little bit more than that. So temperatures as a result, well, they're not great to start with. Add on the wind and it does feel chilly. It feels chilly standing here at Wimbledon this morning. As we head on through the evening and overnight, while the low pressure drifts into the North Sea, it will still be breezy across Scotland, but for most it's going to be a dry night, a fairly cloudy one with just 1 or 2 showers and temperatures staying in double figures. But another area of low pressure is coming in from the Atlantic for tomorrow. So for tomorrow, we've got a weather front draped across southern England. That's going to be producing a lot of cloud, some showers and some drizzle. Move north of that and it'll be a brighter day than today. Still a fair bit of cloud around, mind you, and still some showers which could still be heavy, but temperatures up a touch on what we're looking at today. And then as we head into Wednesday, a weather front which will be in the English Channel is going to be moving northwards. Now it's waving, which means that its northern extent still open to question, but it is going to bring rain in across southern counties as it pushes northwards. North of that again, we're looking at brighter conditions with some showers and temperatures, well, round about where they should be at this stage in the year. Well, that's it from me for now. The headlines are coming up.